Welcome to another episode of EastRockGarage. Today I'm going to be replacing my turbo core since my old turbo has gone bad. The car is smoking a lot and there's oil all over the intercooler pipes. So I'm going to be replacing the core, replacing the seals, and let's hope this fixes the problem. Okay, so the first step is going to be remove the old turbo, which is down here. I don't know if you can see it very well, but we got to take this bad boy out. Okay, well the first step is going to be draining the oil. Nice. Okay, the next step is removing the downpipe. So right now I'm removing the oil return line from the turbo.
Now it's time to remove the turbo. See if we can get it out. There it comes. Oh yeah.
Haha, victory! Time to clean it up. Now that the turbo is out, it's time to take it apart. Okay, so next up we're going to mark the core on the turbo to ensure the position is the same when we place the new core. Next up, we're going to separate the core from the turbine housing by removing these 10mm bolts. Okay, so we took out the turbo, took it apart, stumbled upon some problems, which we will tell you more about in a few seconds. But for the moment, we're cooking up some mean chicken on the grill.
Look at all those chickens!
Okay, well, it's a new day and we found out something nasty about the turbo. The old turbine housing is cracked on the inside. There's a crack running all the way to the wastegate. Don't know if you can see it. And it's not only this crack, but there's also a larger crack running up here. And near the turbine wheel there is a crack here. So this turbine housing is shot and we'll need to find another one. Ta-da! So this is the new turbine housing that I bought. Without cracks. Brand new studs. So let's mount this bad boy. Okay, so right now we're going to mount the compressor housing. We marked it off on the old coil, on the oiled core. See the two lines matching up, which is straight above the oil feed and the coolant feed mounting holes. So I'm going to place the new one. Oké, ze hebben nu neergezet markering op.
Ja, maar dan draait ze er vast in.
Dus het goed. Is het goed. Zitten allemaal strak genoeg. Kom. Okay, so here's the turbo ready to go in the car. We've mounted the wastegate actuator. And there's a certain setting in which you have the right pre-tension on the spring. And as you can see, we marked off the right position with red paint to make sure it didn't move. So now the turbo is ready to go in the car to fill up this empty space over here. Okay, well, the turbo is back in the car. We hooked up all the oil and coolant lines. So now it's time to fill her up with oil. Already put in some coolant and no leaks anywhere. So now it's time to fill the oil. Starting the car for the first time, see if it leaks.
Sounds good to me.
Sounds not broken.